The best advice that I can give any advertiser is don't buy direct from the media. You're not going to save money. In fact, you'll likely pay more. Advertising agencies get paid by the media. They earn an agency discount of 15%. They don't mark up a media buy. It's automatically built in. And don't believe any media rep who says they're giving you the agency discount. I promise you, it's smoke and mirrors. When you buy direct from the media, they control the narrative, and your negotiating leverage is minimal because your budget is the only thing you have to negotiate with. Agencies leverage the combined weight of all of their clients when negotiating on your behalf. A trusted agency media buy will out-deliver a direct media buy any day of the week. Thanks for listening.